Good day, everyone. So, welcome back to my virtual classroom. Today we'll be discussing all about logic. So, our objective for today is to discuss what is logic, discuss what are logical connectors, and discuss what is truth value. And then I'm going to give you examples of the logical connectors. Okay, so let's start. So, we define logic as it is always the science of correct reasoning. Okay? When you hear logic, that means correct reasoning. It is used to communicate more effectively and construct valid arguments, analyze legal contracts, and make decisions. So when you make decisions, it should be logical. Okay? Some law schools considered logic to be one of the most important predictors of future success for their new students. In mathematics, we use logic also. It's one whole course per semester, and programmers, especially the IT, use logic to design computer software. Also, the electrical engineers use logic to design circuits for smartphones. Okay, and mathematicians use logic to solve problems and construct mathematical proof. So that's logic. So in logical statement, so we have the simple statement and the compound statement. Okay. So for the simple statement, this is a statement that conveys only a single idea. And for the compound statement, this is a statement that conveys two or more ideas. So in another lesson, I'll be teaching you about, or I'll be discussing with you about propositions, how to identify if the statement is a proposition or not propositions. Okay, so George Bull use symbols such as P, Q, R, and S to represent simple statements. Okay, and these symbols, we have the inverted V, the V, or this is caret, sometimes this caret, and we have the tilde, okay, this tilde, and this arrow, this ray, and we have also the double arrowhead. This represents connective. I'll show you the table on my next slide of this. Again, I'll repeat. So you will be encountering these letters P, Q, R, and S to represent simple statements. Statements can be converted into negation or something like that in the next slide. Okay, so this is the table of the connectors or the connectives. So we have a statement not P means P is a simple statement, not P, the connective is not. The symbolic form, please take note. This one, this is the tilde. Okay, so when you saw this tilde and pain means this is negation. Okay, so negation means the opposite. Okay, statement P and Q, the connective is and. Okay, the connective is and. If you happen to read and, that means this is the symbolic form P caret Q or the inverted V. That means and means conjunction. In English, of course, meron ding conjunction sa English. So when you combine uh, two simple words maybe. Okay, P or Q. Take note of or as the connective, and the symbolic form is inverted V, sorry, it's VQ. So simple statements or and another simple statement. So it means or means disjunction. Okay, if P then Q, if P then Q, so that means the connective is if and then. So P arrowhead to Q, means conditional. So conditional statements usually the the clue is the if and then statements. For example, if today is Saturday, then I'll be playing basketball. Something like that. P, if and only if. Okay, P, if and only if. The connective is if and only if. So take note of this. So that means that is P double arrow head Q. So that's biconditional. So basically you just have to familiarize yourselves with the symbolic form because you will be meeting this every now and then. Again, this tilde means negation. This caret or inverted V means conjunction, that is end. The connection is end. And P, VQ means disjunction. The connective is or. And if and then statement. So we have P, Q, conditional. And if and only if, the double arrowhead. So that means biconditional. If and only if is the connective. Okay, let's proceed. Let's proceed to the truth value and the truth tables. So what is the importance of this? Truth value of a simple statement is either true or false. I repeat, the truth value of a simple statement is either true or false. The truth value of a compound statement, compound means two simple statements. The truth value of a compound statement depends on the truth value of its simple statement and its connectives. Again, the truth value of a compound statement depends on the truth value of its simple statement and its connectives. Okay? So you'll understand that when I give an example. A truth table, a truth table is a table that shows the truth value of a compound statement for all possible truth values of its simple statement. So let's take an example. Say for example, for negation. Okay? This is your simple statement. And if the simple statement is true, the negation of that statement will be false. And you're going to write there the tilde, which means not, okay, or the negative or the opposite, okay? So that means the truth value now will become false. Now, if the simple statement is false and you get the negation of the false statement, then the truth value becomes true. Okay, the negation of P becomes true. It's no longer false. So always take the opposite. So say for example this one. The negation of the statement today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. So if you're going to if you're going to consider the day today, so the statement now becomes the negation now of this today is Sunday becomes today is not Sunday. Okay, today is not Sunday. So you just include the negative word not to make it negative statement. But if the statement is today is not Sunday and you're going to get the negation of that, you negate. So you will say that today is Sunday. So you just take the opposite. Okay? As I mentioned, the symbolic logic, in symbolic logic, the tilde symbol, this one, okay, this symbol is used to denote negation of a statement. If you happen to see that, means you're going to negate the statement. If a statement P is true, that means the negation of that is false. If the statement P is false, that means the negation of that statement will become true. Therefore, we can say that the negation of the statement is the original statement. Say for example, we have double tilde. That means we get the negation of the statement P, and then we get again the negation. So negative times negative in math becomes positive. So that means the statement becomes true, or the original statement, when replaced by P in any statement. Okay, so that's how easy negation is. Okay, so let's take some example. Okay, example one. I see. You can write your answer in the chat box of this Google Meet. Okay, or in the YouTube channel. Okay, Ellie Goulding is an opera singer. Again, Ellie Goulding is an opera singer. So what will be the negation of this? What is the negation? Okay, correct. Ellie Goulding is not an opera singer. I'll repeat. Ellie Goulding is not an opera singer. About this one, the dog does not need to be fed. The dog does not need to be fed. So what is the negation of that? You can write your answer in the chat box of this Google Meet. The dog does not need to be fed. Go. I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, time is up. So what's your answer? Yes, correct. The dog needs to be fed. The dog needs to be fed. So we get the opposite. Okay? We get the opposite. So let us consider the following simple statements. PQR. Let's label this. Let's name this statement, these simple statements as P, today is Friday and it's raining. Q, it is raining. R, I am going to a movie. S, I am not going to the basketball game. Okay, so let's consider this simple statements. Okay, so P, Q, R, and S. So what you're going to do now, using the symbols, okay, using the symbols, you are going to write the symbolic form of the statement. Okay, you're going to write the symbolic form of the statement. Correction, today is Friday. You can remove this and it's raining. Okay, na-duplicate lang yan. So, statement P, today is Friday. Okay, I repeat, today is Friday. Wala to. Okay, so write the following compound statements in symbolic form. So, what will be your answer? Write it on the chat box. Today is Friday and it is raining. Okay, today is Friday and it is raining. So what will be your symbol? Go. I'll give you 5 seconds to type your answer. Today is Friday and it is raining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, time is up. So the correct answer is, let's take first the statement. Let's check. So what is the connector here? What is the connective? Okay, the connective is and, right? The connective is and. That means conjunction. Conjunction means the symbol for conjunction is the inverted V, or the caret. Today is Friday is statement P. Okay, so imagine this is P, this is caret, and it is raining. It is raining is Q. Okay, so the correct answer is P, caret, or inverted V, Q. So that is the correct answer. Okay, what is happening? Next, number 2. It is not raining. It is not raining. And I am going to a movie. I'll repeat. It is not raining and I'm going to a movie. Go. What is the symbol? Okay, time is up. The correct answer is it is not raining. Q statement, it is raining. So this is the positive one, the original one. It is not raining, that means you get the negation. So tilde Q, okay, tilde Q, and means conjunction. The symbol is inverted V or caret. I am going to a movie, still the positive statement. Okay, the original statement. So the correct answer is negation Q, okay, tilde Q, inverted V, and R. So that is now your answer. Congratulations to those students who got the correct answer. I am going to the basketball game, or I am going to a movie. I am going to the basketball game, or I am going to a movie. So again, what is the connector or the connective? Or. So that means or means the. Okay? Means the. So that is or. So V. Now, I am going to a basketball game. So the original statement is, I am not going to the basketball game. So this is the original, not going. So since it's here, I am going, so it's passive. So that means you get the opposite. So this means this is negation S. Negation S, tilde S, or V, I am going to a movie. I am going to a movie is the original statement, so R. Again, tilde S, and then V and R. Okay, congratulations. You're correct. Okay, if it is raining, then I am going to the basketball game. So if we're going to read the statement, if it is raining, then I am not going to the basketball game. So what kind of statement is this? This is more of conditional because of the if and then connectives. Okay? It is raining, that is positive Q. Okay? I am not going to the basketball game is S because the original is not. So that means Q. Okay, what is your answer by the way? Right? Type your answer. Okay. Q. Okay. Arrowhead to one arrowhead going to S. Okay, I'm not going to the basketball game. May I see if you are correct? Okay, very good. So that is correct. Okay, so this will be your assignment. Okay, before I finish the lecture today, the virtual lecture, this will be your assignment. So you're going to turn this in your Google Classroom or in your LNS. Consider the following statements. The game will be played in Atlanta. The game will be shown on CBS. The game will not be shown on ESPN. The Mets are favored to win. Okay, write each of the following symbolic statement in words. So this time, it's the opposite. The symbols were given, and you are going to write the statement. Okay, so that's it for today. So thank you so much for your participation. So before I leave, may I request everyone to please subscribe to this channel, and you can share this to your friends who are also taking mathematics in the modern world. And please continue reviewing all your lessons. It's posted in my YouTube channel, Second Function TV. Thank you so much and goodbye.